It's not good. Denzel. Oh no. I'm getting stuck. I'm getting stuck. ¿Se quema? Alrighty guys, today we're going to be installing the MMD chin spoiler. This bad boy's going to look good.
Oh
right?
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
Right, Antoine?
Yeah. It's going to look awesome.
Sick. Alright.
Break it now.
I'm wrap this puppy.
You gonna take the bumper off or not?
No. Just like that.
You just gotta squeeze under there?
I'm just going to put it in. Oh, hang on.
So now you gotta take a picture for your profile picture.
Oh,
Can you hear me?
let me go get the. Hold that.
No.
You got scared, didn't you?
This was naturally strong, right?
What the hell?
I'll need something.
Yeah, throw them in.
Only if I ate my Wheaties.
Yeah,
They're
what
still
is
right there.
that?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna need the knife.
What is that? Oh,
It's the silly string shit.
no, it's not. It's
Yes,
slime.
it is. No, it's. You're silly.
Oh, dang, Denzel.
Oh man, that's on the inside. It's alright.
Oh, it's for a Camaro. Dang.
Not for no Camaro. Enough for a boat.
For a boat.
I know I gotta put a 3M tape here. Let me go get the 3M tape.
Mira, pinches luces. Ah, fresh. Oh, you turned off my Christmas lights.
That's the bottom, huh?
But you didn't put no alcohol, love.
We don't have also.
Oh, just spit on it. We have
I
our
can get this painted too, but let's see what it looks like. You can take it off if you want to. You can.
Oh no, that's cool.
You gotta go under it.
Underneath it?
Yeah, you gotta go under. And then pull up. And then it's just gonna snap in.
Oh.
You should probably. No, you need it on the top. The bottom doesn't even touch.
No?
No.
Well, we gotta push it up. No, this will touch right here.
No. It's probably on the top.
Oh, maybe on the top right. Yeah. How does it look like?
It looks good. It looks like a Camaro now. That's the thing. It looks good.
I think we
Fix
put
it,
the three.
right?
I think we put the three on the wrong side, huh?
Yeah.
Because nothing's here.
Hey.
I think it was supposed to be from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. Not that I think you gotta do it one side at a time. Alright, go. You want to screw it first and then we push it down?
Guys, so this was a short little install. If y'all want to look for the part, it's an MMD chin spoiler from American Muscle. I always buy all the parts from there, but I like their website. Pretty easy to look for stuff. But yeah, it was a short little video. Hopefully y'all like it, and I want to wish y'all a good weekend. Hopefully you have a great Mother's Day. Sunday, today's Saturday, but that's it, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Let me know what y'all want to see. What y'all want to see next. Y'all want me to go to a car show or something? Leave a comment down, and just let me know. And y'all have a great weekend.